In today's video, we'll see how to create a simple design from a template. Now, you'll learn how to browse and choose a template, how to modify text, how to insert elements from Canva, how to upload your own images and insert them into your design, and finally, we'll look at how to download your design. Let's get started. At the left, we have templates. Click on Templates to browse. You'll see there are all kinds of templates. Templates for documents, for your whiteboard, for presentations, for videos, for logos, infographics, flyers, worksheets, newsletters. There's a template for almost everything. Now, today, I'm going to make a Google Classroom header. Here we are. We can search by style, by theme, by color. I'm simply going to browse until I find something that matches for my computer class. Here's one. Let's look at this template. Now, when you click on the template, you'll see more templates that are in the same style. So I think I like this one. I'm going to customize this template. The first thing we're going to do is modify the text. So let's click on this text box, double click to select, and type in computers with Mr. Mark. You can make this text bigger by clicking and dragging the corner, like this. Or you can simply highlight the text and increase the font size in the toolbar above. Now, to import an element, we simply go over here to Elements, and I'm going to search for a cat, because why not? There we go. Let's click on this cat, and I've just imported a Canva element, and he's going to be right there. All right, perfect. Now, you can actually upload and import your own elements by going to Uploads, Upload Files, find the image you'd like to upload, click Open, and here we are. I've uploaded the ASB Green Valley logo. Let's click on this, import it into our design, pull it over here. All right, so there you have it. I've created a Google Classroom banner in under 2 minutes. Let's download. Click on the Share button, click Download, and it suggests that we download as a PNG. I'm not going to argue. Download, and you have your file. Now, teleporting into Google Classroom, let's go ahead and upload that design that we just created. Click on Customize, Upload Photo, select from our computer. Here it is, and open. Let's go ahead and resize. There we go, and select Class Theme. And that's how we create a simple design from a template in Canva. Hope this helps.